Hi guys, welcome to TechTune channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete YouTube videos. So in this case, go to YouTube first, then you'll find here your videos. Just click on this. After that, you can see all of your videos what you have uploaded in YouTube. If you want to delete the specific one, click on this, or if you want to delete the whole videos, just click on this check mark and all will be marked. Then what you're going to do is you'll find here more options or actions, not options, sorry, actions, and click on this drop down menu. Then you'll find here delete forever. Just click on delete forever, check this and delete forever. You can see that its delete is processing. While you wait, you can leave this screen. That means if you leave the screen, the work will be active. I mean, YouTube videos what you have marked will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.